crazy. Had this idea to go get this other little dongle for my camera or for my phone to see if I could charge it and have a microphone kind of plugged in at the same time. And it seems like that idea was a dud. It didn't work. But that's what happens sometimes, right? Sometimes things work, sometimes it doesn't. You know, but I got like 60 something percent of battery health. So, well, not health, but life. So I'm just gonna walk and kind of till I get to 20% again, you know, and go from there. You know, what's the worst that can happen? What's the best, right? So I try to tend not to focus on what's the worst that can happen, but what's the best that can happen, you know? Check out this view. And there it is. Nice little view, right? Look at this other way. I guess it's an okay view from this way versus the other way, I think. Let's go. Hurry up. Hopefully you all can't hear the wind with this microphone, but who knows? I guess I won't know until I listen to it tonight on the computer, so that'll be the goal. Can't remember if I showed this view before, but I'm gonna show it again just because I like it. Like, that's way too fast on the tilt, right? Crazy. I was trying to bring it down nice and slow like this, you know. Hey, it is what it is. Let's go. Can't wait to be able to walk along the Riverwalk to take you guys there and show it to you. When it's summer, or at least when it's warmer, I think it'd be a lot of life down there. Kind of feels like I'm walking fast too, so. Too high, way. There you go. Sorry, still kind of learning how to use the gimbal and everything, this joystick. So I don't really use one often, so. Also, apparently, I think, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, Chicago has like one of the most, I don't know if they're called drawbridges in terms of major cities and stuff like that down here. Is. But if you want to read about it, pause it there for you. right, let's continue walking. I feel like I got enough time, so let me go ahead and get across this. I just saw that, actually, saw that car over there earlier. Crazy. Oh, let me show you something. These two towers here. Identical towers. Actually look kind of cool, right? When you're looking up at them like that, I think. But apparently these towers, they have parking, a grocery store. I think it's something, I don't remember the name of the architect, but I took an architecture tour of Chicago, boat tour, pretty nice. If you ever come to Chicago, highly recommend that you take it. There's plenty of them. Don't remember the one that I took, but I'm pretty sure that any of them that you can find on the Chicago River will be worth the money. And just seeing the different architecture types along the Chicago River. Oh, no cars coming. That time he got out the way. Again, I'm filming all this on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, I think. Yeah, that's what it is. So far, the quality of the video looks nice, at least from the screen that I'm looking at, you know, so hey, what can you do, right? I actually can't wait for summertime to film art on the Mart. I think that's going to be kind of a cool little video and art installation to see. I'm actually going to show you what that is too, and as soon as I cross this street here. As soon as I get the opportunity to walk, I'll take it. I'm gonna go ahead and take it now. It makes no point in it. There's no purpose in waiting. If there's no cars coming, I feel like. Just a disclaimer, don't attempt this. Seriously, don't attempt this. Bridge over to your right that you see, that's the Clark Street Bridge. That's what it says on it too. This building straight ahead that they're building up, I think that's actually going to be the Salesforce Tower here in Chicago, built right on the Chicago River. I'm not sure how many floors or stories it will be, and if it'll only be for all of Salesforce or if it's just the name of the tower that they're building, and then there'll be other occupants in it. Kind of liking the little light that's going between these glass buildings that you can see right there in the middle almost. All right, let me go ahead and take it while I got opportunity. And this building here, that is the Merchandise Mart. I think at one point it had like the most square footage in terms of office space and stuff in Chicago. I don't really want to say the world, but I'm not 100% sure. One thing I'll tell you that this is definitely a really, really great walk. 100%. I could enjoy this every day. It's just that it's cold too. As soon as this one car turns, I'm pretty sure they got the light, but they're just looking at it. Alright, let's walk, baby. I'm almost where I want to be.
Don't know what's going on.
Yeah, we're almost at Merchandise Mart. Can't wait. Oh yeah. We're actually currently under the L right now. We're on Wells. You can see it from the street sign. Okay. We have made it to Merchandise Mart. Merchandise Mart. Let me just turn the camera. Alright, so this is Merchandise Mart. Can't really get the whole thing in there with the camera. The 1X, probably the 0.5, but I don't want to switch over to that because I feel like we got some good quality. But in the summertime, they have an art installation right here on the actual building where it's like a digital art type of thing that happens here on this building. I wish I could get a name of it, having a brain fart, but I guess it's like a projector, project some type of artwork onto the actual building. I even think at one point one of Kanye West's albums releases was projected on this building. It is. If you do, hey, comment at the bottom. I would like to know as well. So this kind of will conclude our walk for today. If you like this, please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me the type of videos that you want to see or anything that you want to see in the city. You know, I would be happy to record it for you, answer some questions in regards to my city as well. So I'm open to all type of requests. So hey, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.